The first source of social influence is implicit. Humans and other animals are affected by several unconscious, implicit social influences. The first one is mimicry, also known as the chameleon effect. It's the unconscious copying of another person's behaviors. When they yawn, laugh, clap, cross their arms, or even grimace, their actions can be contagious, leading us to unintentionally copy them. Other animals, like birds, reptiles, and insects, also instinctively imitate each other for defensive and reproductive purposes. Evolutionary psychologists say social imitation helps us interact more effectively with other people. By unconsciously noticing and copying their behaviors, we increase the chances that we fit in and that they perceive us as similar to them and non-threatening. Emotions and moods are also socially contagious. Emotional contagion occurs when one person's emotions transfer or rub off on another person. Mood contagion is similar. Maybe you've worked with an extremely pessimistic person and noticed a change in your own emotions or mood after being exposed to their negativity. Fortunately for us, this transfer can also happen with positive emotions. You may look forward to seeing some of your colleagues, those who brighten your day. So, you can affect and be affected by other people on an implicit, unconscious level.